What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So far, we have talked about big headline features of iOS 27, Siri upgrades, Apple Intelligence, wallet changes, and new camera system. But today, we are focusing on something even more interesting, the hidden features. These are the smaller upgrades that don't always get attention, but they can completely change how you use your iPhone every day. Let's jump right in. First up is AI powered Safari tab grouping. If you are someone who keeps the way too many tabs open, this is going to be the game changer. With iOS 27, Safari is rumored to use Apple Intelligence to automatically group similar tabs together. If you are researching travel, shopping, or watching videos, Safari will organize everything for you without you doing it manually. This means a much cleaner, more organized browsing experience. Next is the revamped Safari startup. Apple is reportedly adding a redesigned start page with new sections that separate your browsing experience more clearly. Instead of just seeing a long list of favorites and suggestions, you'll get organized tabs for things you like and saved articles, reading list, and browsing history. It's a small change, but it makes Safari feel more structured and easier to use. Now let's talk about something real powerful, natural language voice control. This is one of the most futuristic features in iOS 27. Instead of using exact commands like open settings or turn off Wi-Fi, you could literally talk to iPhone naturally. For example, you could say something like do not disturb and open my notes app, and your iPhone would understand the full request and execute it. This makes accessibility and everyday navigation much easier, especially for users who don't want to memorize specific voice commands. Next is the system-wide live captions. With iOS 27, Apple is expected to expand automatic captions across the entire system. That means whether you're watching videos, streaming content, or even using third-party apps, your iPhone could generate real-time captions automatically. You'll also likely be able to customize the appearance of these captions, making them easier to read or better suited to your preferences. This is huge win for accessibility, but also super useful in noisy environments or when you don't want to use sound. And finally, the redesigned weather app experiences. Instead of switching between multiple screens to check conditions like temperature, wind, or rain, iOS 27 is rumored to introduce a new conditions panel. This could let you quickly switch between different weather details in one clean view. It sounds simple, but it makes checking the weather much faster and more intuitive. So, when you put it all together, these small features actually add up to much faster or more efficient experience. They may not be flashy as Siri designed or AI chatbot integration, but they are the kind of upgrades you'll probably use every day, single day, even without even realizing it. Of course, all of this is still based on rumors and leaks, so nothing is officially confirmed yet, but even half of these features make it into iOS 27, it's going to be pretty significant update. So I want to know how out of all these hidden features, which one would you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iOS updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.